Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play these arms of mine on piano. We'll start by mastering the core chords, which are primarily B-flat, E-flat, and F. This classic soul tune is best played with a slow, expressive tempo, around 60 to 70 beats per minute. Focus on smooth transitions between these three main chords to capture the song's heartfelt essence. Practice each chord individually before connecting them into the main progression. For your left hand, focus on providing a solid foundation. Play the root notes of each chord as octaves, for example, a B-flat octave for the B-flat chord. Keep the rhythm steady and unhurried, allowing the notes to resonate. A simple, sustained bass line will give the song its characteristic depth and soulful feel. Avoid overly complex patterns. Simplicity is key here. Your right hand will carry the beautiful melody of These Arms of Mine. Listen closely to the original recording to capture the vocal phrasing and emotional nuances. Start by playing the single melody notes, then gradually introduce simple harmony notes, perhaps a third or a fifth above, to enrich the sound. This will create a fuller, more expressive texture, mirroring the song's rich vocal delivery. To truly bring These Arms of Mine to life, pay close attention to dynamics. Play softer during verses and build intensity for the chorus, creating emotional depth. Use the sustain pedal judiciously to connect phrases and add warmth, but avoid over-pedaling to maintain clarity. Consistent, slow practice, perhaps 15 minutes daily, will help you achieve both accuracy and the fluid, soulful expression this song deserves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.